Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the PQRQP S20 microphone. I think this is a brand new thing that they're coming out with, and we're gonna give this thing a look-see and try. So you hear how I am now. We're just recording through my iPhone, and so we're gonna end up hooking this up, but here we go, a quick smart start guide. We have, I'm just go through in here. Okay, we have the device here, and in there, we have, that looks like a lot like the DJI Mic 2. But let's go ahead and open up some other stuff. We have a charging cable. It's like USB to USB-C, pretty standard. We have a camera, one of those connectors there. And we have, looks like two of the little windscreen tips for it. We'll try one of those on too in a second. Okay, so like that. Okay, so here we are. So I can take this out of the box here, open up that, and this is what it looks like there. It looks like it wants me to push the side button, and there it is. I pushed it. Boy, it looks so much like the DJI Mic 2. And then let's see if I do this one here. Oh, I am connected to it now, and I can see this. Boy, it's just so much like it. Does it have a swipe screen? It even has the swipe screen, just like the other one too. But okay, so let's go ahead and I guess I can swipe down again and connect it. And the connectors here are like these too. It looks like it's a USB to USB-C to USB-C. And then if we have an older Lightning phone, we can go USB-C to Lightning on that. I have iPhone 16 Pro. My 17 arrives this week. Okay, and we also have one of those little shoe connectors on the transmitter there. And there's a USB-C port there. It looks like there's that's probably the mic, the 3.5mm to connect it up to your camera. And then here, I'm not sure what that's going to be for then, because we have this to connect it to the phone. Let's see. Oh, it looks like they're both on. Both the mics are on right now. That's weird. So I have to turn one off, or I know on my mic DJI when I close this, it basically turns it off. But maybe I could do something else to turn that off. I don't know. Okay, whatever. That's in there. Oh yeah, now we're back down to one. Okay, and then we have the little microphone here, and it looks like it's connected up there. We have a little pull tab here to, I guess, get that out. That's on there, good. Okay, so we have the clip-on, like we have on the DJI as well. And then we have a little magnet. I'll go magnet, why not? So, there we are. We are magnetized on me. We have this here. I'm gonna plug this into the phone, so hopefully we will start hearing the sound. It doesn't say connecting or push a button or anything like that like it does on the other one. But there we go, so we are connected. So now you should be hearing me through the microphone. So we'll see how I sound. This is the little cover for the air thing, and it looks like it's just a flexible rubber thing that goes over it. How does that even go? I don't know if there is a right side. Oop, oh, I lost the magnet down my shirt. I guess the side it goes, there's a little curve thing. Not sure what this little dial does. Okay, okay, I think I'm on. And the gain, I think this is the gain now. Okay, so let's see what I sound like as I walk away. I was kind of messing with it, and I think I realized that I'm pushing the gain button makes it not sound like anything. It just makes the sound, it's like a volume kind of thing. Shows how little I know about microphones, but I do want to sound better for my videos, so hopefully this is going to work. But I kind of like it. I mean, it did sound way better when I was just listening to myself on that first half of the clip. So I'm going to say it's way better than doing the, oh, hi Penny. Way better than just doing the microphone on the phone itself. But so hopefully it sounds good to you guys as well. And that is kind of it. Thumbs up, I like it.